me ask you something. Do you find that you get lots of pain in your lower back, in your hips, and maybe even get sciatica that is just so painful and you just can't seem to release it or keep it released for good? Well, I have got a beautiful gentle somatic yoga flow just for you. Hi, I'm Renee McLaughlin, gentle somatic yoga practitioner, and I'm really excited to bring you this flow. This has helped me so much because I have a movement pattern that tends to throw me off on my left side, and that's exactly where it is. And it just seems like the only thing that helps me release this is to get a good chiropractic adjustment. So my back has been out on that side, but in this time of social distancing, I just can't seem to get to the chiropractor. So I found this flow. It completely released my back, and I'm so excited to share it with you. All right, are you ready? This is done on the floor. So here we go. You want to make sure that you round yourself over, protecting your lower back as you come down. All right, so here's what I want you to do. Begin with both legs drawn down, hip width apart, and you can have your arms open kind of in a low V. All right, I'm going to start by bringing up my right leg. So I'm bending my right leg up. All right, now here's what you're going to do. You're just going to focus on this leg, and I just want you to slowly inhale, and as you inhale, allow the leg to go inside. So think about your foot. You're rolling to the inside of the foot. And just take it to wherever it wants to go. No big stress. Notice how it's going to arch your back. And then bring the leg back straight up to neutral and relax. Let's do it again. This time it's helpful to add the breath with it to keep the movement smooth and flowing. So let's inhale. And on the inhale, that foot's going to roll to the inside, bringing the knee over. And again, just notice how you start to get a nice contraction in your lower back. And then we slowly bring it back up and relax. All right, we're going to add on to this. So we first inhale, bringing that leg over again. And taking that same side shoulder and roll the shoulder in, hugging it in, and your eyes, your head is turned to that same side right. Notice how as you roll that in and press the shoulder gently down on the ground, you get even more contraction in the back. And then slowly bring everything right back to neutral and relax. Good. We're going to add in the breath. Here we go. Inhale as you bring that leg over. Bringing the shoulder in and down. And exhale. Let's just come back to neutral and relax. Let's just do it one more time. So inhale, rolling the knee over, hugging the shoulder in and looking. It's almost like you're trying to see the bottom of your shoe. And then all the way back and relax. All right, we're going to add one more part onto this. You ready? Let's inhale, bring the leg down, shoulders in, and then you lift the foot up. Again, you're trying to see if you have some gum on the bottom of that shoe, and by lifting, you're going to feel even more contraction in that back. Drop the foot, inhale, and we'll bring ourselves right back to neutral and completely relax. I'm just going to do it one more time, but when you're doing it on your own, it's good to do it a few times. So here we go again. Inhale first. As we let that leg go over, shoulder slides in, presses down, and you lift the foot. So as soon as I lift the foot, I feel that right up in here, and it is beautiful to relax and release. All those muscles come all the way back and completely relax. Very good. Now, I'm going to go ahead and draw that leg down, draw the other one up. So we can do this whole flow together. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So the first thing that you want to do, inhale and bring that foot. You're going to go over onto the inside of the foot, allowing the knee to draw over, allowing that lower back to lift. And then I'll slowly allow the leg to come back to neutral and relax. Let's do just the foot again. Inhale as you let it draw over. And And just feel that beautiful stretch right down here in the back. And bring it back up and relax. All right, you ready to add that shoulder? Same thing. So we're going to inhale, let the knee come over. As you hug that other shoulder in towards the spine, head is looking this way, and gently hug that shoulder down into the ground. And then let's unwind everything right back and relax. Let's do it again. Inhale, leg comes over, shoulder presses in, feeling that beautiful contraction in that side lower back, and slowly bring everything right back to the center and relax. All right, we're going to add on with the foot lift. You ready? So inhale, knee comes in, shoulder hugs and presses, and lift the foot. Notice what happens, what you feel when you lift the foot. Drop the foot and bring it all the way back and relax. One of the things that's so beautiful to do with this once you understand the move is to shut your eyes and really focus on what's happening inside. So I'm going to do that now. Inhale, bring it over. Shoulder hugs. Exhale, lift the foot. So I find I have to really relax the rest of my body. Drop the foot and come all the way in and completely relax. Again, you want to do that maybe 3-4 times. All right, here's the next part of this flow. I'm going to draw that leg down. I'm going to bring the right one back up again. You ready? So now we're going to inhale, and this time you're going to roll to the outside of the foot and allow the knee to open to the side. No, don't press it down. Only allow the knee to just go out to wherever the body wants to go right now. And then gently bring that foot back up again with the leg. Let's inhale, draw it down again. See if you can go slowly and smoothly. You might find a little bit of shaking in there. That's what's known as sensory motor amnesia, and this is going to help to repattern your brain to body connection, which is why these flows are so powerful, and they absolutely work. And bring it back up and relax. You ready to add on to this one? So on this one, you're going to inhale, let that knee come over to the side, and you're going to now press the opposite shoulder in to the ground, and you're looking to that opposite arm. And then bring everything back up and relax. So when we're taking the foot back out, inhale, bring it out. It's the opposite shoulder that you're working, and just notice, what are you feeling? Where are you feeling these contractions? And slowly bring it back in and relax. All right, we're going to add on by lifting the foot. So here we go. Inhale. As you allow that leg to open, shoulder slides in, and now you're going to lift the foot. Okay, so the knee is off the ground. You're lifting the foot, pressing the opposite shoulder, and you're going to feel that stretch in the whole lower back. Drop the foot and release everything right back. And you guessed it, relax completely. Let's just do that one more time on this side. So allowing the leg to come out. You're on the outside of that foot as you press that shoulder in the ground and lift the foot. Then drop the foot and come all the way back to neutral. I'm going to go on to the other side. So I'm going to pop the other leg up, drop that one down. You're ready? Here we go. So inhale, allowing that leg to roll out to the side on the outside of the foot. Just knowing where that comes. You want to do these things individually and then bring that leg back up. So you can really feel how each part of the movement changes where you're going to feel it in the rest of the body. So inhale again and allow it to open. I find I can get a lot of shaking just allowing the leg to open, especially on my left side. So I have to really mindfully slow the movement down so that it doesn't shake. And it's a beautiful way to unwind all this and bring it back up. All right, so now we're going to add opposite shoulder. So inhale, allowing the leg to come open. I'm going to hug that shoulder in, press that shoulder. Notice how I'm looking at the opposite. Notice what you feel here, and bring everything right back and relax. Let's do it again. Inhale, open, hugging shoulder down, and feel the contraction on that lower back, and bring it all the way back and relax. All right, we're going to add to the last thing where we lift the foot. So inhale, open, shoulders are drawing down, lift the foot, feel what you're feeling. Can you relax all the other parts of your body? Drop the foot and come all the way back and completely relax. Let's just do it one more time. Let's inhale as that foot drops. Shoulder draws in. Exhale, lift the foot. Drop the foot, inhale as you come all the way back. And then, just as a nice integration, bring both knees up in alignment and just do some nice little rocks. You might want to go around in a circle and bring yourself up. You're not going to believe how much that will help you release so many of these deeply held tensions that we have in contractions in that lower back and pelvic region. So give this move a try, and then will you come back and give me some comments? I'd love to hear how this flow helps you relax and release all those tightly held contractions. And you have a beautiful day. Thanks.